The information age, also known as the computer or digital age, began in the 1940s, transitioning from the industrial age to the current digital age, where information is the king. The information advantage empowers organizations to be three key things: intelligent, connected, and responsible. Intelligent organizations drive business processes with simplicity and security by removing friction and generating crucial insights for better, faster decisions.
I'm JV Azucenas and I'm reporting advantage of information age. High data processing speed. In the digital age, data processing speed is unparalleled, enabling quick decision making and timely deliver to relevant individuals for action. Automation. Automation in business operation reduce human interaction, cutting costs and human resources compared to manual system, enabling computers to operate with minimal human involvement. Third third is globalization. Globalization in the computer age has transformed the world into a village of information, allowing real-time tracking of neighboring countries and continents. Cyber community. In the age, virtual communities are emerging where individuals can share ideas and interact in a virtual environment, transforming the way relationships are formed and broken. Change the way of doing business. In the information age, business are primarily conducted online, eliminating the need for physical locations and automating or moving services to online platforms.
Living in the information age has had a profound impact on various aspects of our lives. Here are some effects of living in the information age. Access to the information. The information age has made it easier than ever to access vast amounts of information. With the internet, we can quickly find answers to our questions, learn new skills, and stay updated on current events. Communication. The information age has revolutionized communication. We can now connect with people from all over the world instantly through various communication tools like email, social media, and video conferencing. Globalization. The information age has accelerated the process of globalization. Businesses can now easily operate on a global scale, reaching customers and collaborating with partners worldwide. This has led to increased trade, cultural exchange, and economic interdependence. Job market. The information age has transformed the job market. It has created new job opportunities in fields like technology, digital marketing, data analysis, and software development. However, it has led to job displacement in certain industries as automation and artificial intelligence continue to advance. Education. The information age has revolutionized education. Online learning platforms and resources have made education more accessible and flexible. Students can now access educational materials, take courses, and earn degrees remotely. Privacy and security. With the increasing amount of personal data being collected and shared online, individuals and organizations need to be vigilant about protecting their information from cyber threats and data breaches. Social impact. It has changed the way we interact, socialize, and form relationships. Social media platforms have connected people globally, but they have also raised concerns about issues like online harassment, addiction, and the spread of misinformation. Lastly, innovation and entrepreneurship. It has lowered barriers to entry for starting a business, allowing individuals to create and launch new products and services more easily. The availability of information and tools has empowered entrepreneurs to pursue their ideas and disrupt traditional industries. Overall, living in the information age has brought numerous benefits and challenges. It has transformed the way we live, work, communicate, and learn, shaping our society in profound ways.
And I'm JB Azucenas. and I'm reporting pros and cons of using social media platform. Pros: entertainment. Social media offer a wide range of entertainment from funny memes to streaming content. So, sa ngayon, entertainment are very bali ano siya yun, information and news. You can stay updated on current events, trends, and news through social media. So ngayon, kung dati sa TV, ngayon pwede na nating makita ang mga balita sa mga social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Makikita natin mga balita at pwede rin sa website ng mga sikat na dahil sikat na mga TV news. Connectivity. Third is connectivity. Social media allows you to connect with friends and family regardless of geographical boundaries. So, kahit malayo pa yan, makakapag-connect at makakausap mo pa rin siya gamit ang social media rin. Expression. You can express your thoughts, ideas, and creativity through posts, photos. Expression. You can express your thoughts, ideas, and creativity through posts, photos, and videos. 5. Networking. It's a valuable tool for a professional network and career opportunities. Kung if may pros, may cons din. Privacy concern. Personal information can be at risk and privacy settings can be confusing. So, delikado rin yung privacy natin kasi meron din siyang mga nilalagay na mga location, yan, pangalan, pwede siyang magamit sa krimen. Addiction. It's easy to become addicted to social media which can lead to time wasting. So, kung ginagamit mo ang social media ng 8 hours is parang sa isang araw, tapos kapag gising mo is FB agad, is you are addicted. Third is cyberbullying. Social media platforms can be breeding ground for cyberbullying and harassment. So, pwede rin talagang makapambully sa social media through comments, through chat. Yan. Through video rin. Kung meron mas mabilis ang news nga, meron din mas mabilis din mas spread yung fake news. Fake news, misinformation, and fake news can spread rapidly, leading to misunderstandings. So, kapag fake news, mas mabilis din ma-boom sa social media. 5 is mental health. Excessive use can contribute to anxiety, depression, and a sense of inadequacy due to comparisons with others. Yun, sa mental health naman is kapag nagka-anxiety ka na, yun, tsaka mga video na mga pang nakakalungkot, ganun.
It's a profound creation by Zuckerberg and is the most used social media platform in the world, Facebook. But Angeline Tobias Dumangsang proves that using Facebook is a double-edged sword. Using Facebook can have positive and negative effects on individuals and society. Facebook allows people to connect and communicate with friends, family, and acquaintances across the globe, fostering social connections, and for reducing feelings of isolation. Users can also share news articles and information, allowing for the dissemination of knowledge and awareness of current events. It also provides a platform for businesses to reach a wide audience, advertise their products or services, and engage with customers, potentially leading to increased sales and brand awareness. Facebook groups and pages enable people with shared interests to come together, form communities, and engage in discussions and activities. But Facebook collects and stores all user data, which has raised concern about privacy and data security. Also, excessive use of Facebook can lead to addiction and time wasting, negatively impacting productivity and mental well-being. Facebook can be a platform for cyberbullying, harassment, and spreading hate speech, which can severe emotional and psychological effects on individuals. Its algorithm can also create filter bubbles, where users are exposed to content that aligns with their existing beliefs, limiting exposure to diverse perspectives and potentially reinforcing biases. But Angeline uses it as a reminder that it is important for individuals to use Facebook responsibly, be mindful of their privacy settings, and engage in healthy online behaviors to mitigate the negative effects.